Hello students, welcome in this virtual classroom. Today I'm going to discuss about measures of central tendency. So a large number of big figures is confusing to mind. It is also difficult to analyze them. In order to reduce the complexity of data and to make them comparable, it is essential that the various figures which are being compared are reduced to one figure each. For example, if a comparison is made between the marks obtained by 50 students of BCom 1 class of one college and the marks obtained by 100 students belong to BCom 1 class of another college, it would be impossible to arrive at any conclusion. If the two series relating to these marks are directly compared, on the other hand, if each of these figures is represented by one figure, comparison and understanding would become very easy. Then this figure will represent the average of the whole series. Such figures are called measures of central tendency, about which we are going to study in this lecture. So the measures of central tendency are sometimes referred as averages, measures of location, or statistical averages also. So if we look at the meaning of average of central tendency, an average is a single value, point or location which represents the whole set of figures and all other individual items concentrate around it. So central tendency. So in simple words, an average is a single value within the range of the data that is used to represent all of the values in a series. So if we talk about types of statistical averages, there are basically three main types of statistical averages. So the first one of these types is mathematical average. First one is mathematical average. Second one is positional average. And the third one is commercial average. So mathematical averages is further divided into three types, which are arithmetic mean, which is also simply known as mean, and we denote it as x bar. Then geometric mean, which we denote as GM. And the third one is harmonic mean. Similarly, positional average is also divided into two parts, that is median, and it is denoted with M, and the second one is mode. And these averages were also taught in the lower classes also. So these concepts are not the newer one for you. So and third type, commercial average, is also divided into three types. So those are, first is moving average. Second one is progressive average. And third one is composite average.